Welcome back to Olympiad Learning. Today we have this question, root x plus 1 by 2 equal to x. Let's solve. Here what I am going to do, I am putting root x on one side and the rest will be on the right side. And now I am putting a square on both sides. So here root x and then a square, and here I am putting x minus 1 by 2 and then here a square. Now this root and square will cancel, so we have only x, and this is going to be breakdown. So we have x square minus 2x 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square here. So you can see that x here, x square, this will cancel. We have negative x plus 1 upon 4. Now what I am just going to do, I am putting all the values on the variables and constant on one side. So here I have x square, and this is going to be what here, 2x, here 2x, negative x square, and here actually we have 1 by 4, and then here we have 2x. Now I can do one thing, here x square and negative 2x plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. This is, and on the last we are going to calculate the values, okay, for the x by using quadratic equation. So here I have a 4x square minus 8x plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Now this is going to be multiplied here, and we have 4x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0 into 4, and we have here 4x square negative 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can get the value for a, b and c by comparing with this standard quadratic equation, ax square bx plus c equal to 0. So after comparing, we have value for a as 4, b as negative 8, and c as 1. So just I'm getting value for x by putting this formula, negative b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and I have minus 8 plus minus root under b is negative 8 square minus 4, a is I have 4, and c as 1. Now just here we have 2 into a as 4. So we are very close to the answer here, plus 8 and then plus minus here 64 minus 16 divided by 8, and we can say that we have the rest value. Just I'm going to calculate here. For x is equal to 8 plus minus and 64 minus 16, it is coming here 14 minus 6 is 8, and here 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 8. So we'll say that here we have x is equal to 8 plus here 48 can be write as 16 into 3 divided by 8, and then we can say that x is equal to 8 plus minus 16 will come out from this root, so we have a 4 root 3 and divided by 8. So we have x equal to 8. I am taking common, so here I have to write here 1 plus minus, here I have to write 1 by 2, so that it will become 4 after multiplying with each other, and here root 3 and this divided by 8. So this is going to be cancelled, so it is going to be cancelled. So we have x is equal to 1 by 2 root 3, okay, and here plus minus is there also negative. So we have two roots, that is 1 plus minus, okay, root 3 by 2, and this is going to be the solution of this equation. So we can say that we have x is equal to 2 roots 1 minus 1 by 2 root 3, and another one is 1 plus 1 by 2 root 3. This is the required solution of the given equation. Root x plus 1 by 2 is equal to x. This one is the solution. Thank you so much for watching my video. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.